Ross from Sallie Tomato, and today we're opening up the 5th gift in our Sallie Tomato Co box. So I hope you're having so much fun opening these. Today's gift is a satin bag, and it says Day 5 Secret Hardware. We have a little secret to share with you, but it's best kept until tomorrow. So again, you'll want to save these goodies for tomorrow when the project is revealed. And I think it's so fitting that we have lots of bling and fun sparkly things to share with you for this Sallie Tomato box. So here we have some hardware and zippers. So the hardware color that you receive may vary from other boxes because we wanted to make sure to include a variety, and then you could have a sampling in your box of a variety of different colors. So here we have our rose gold basic hardware kit. So this kit includes 2 swivel hooks, 2 D-rings, and 1 slider buckle. So even if you decide not to use this for the project tomorrow, it's still a great set that you can use for other patterns. And then also included is a pack that has our size number 5 zippers and 3 pulls inside as well. If you haven't tried sewing with our zippers yet, this is a great chance to try them. So our zippers are unique because they have a nylon coil with a metallic finish. So they appear to be metal, but since they're nylon, you can cut and sew over them. And I absolutely love this feature because I love the look and appearance of metal zippers, but I am terrified to sew with them for breaking a needle, and they can get rusty, all kinds of different reasons. That's why I love using our handbag zippers. And as you can see, the nylon coil coordinates so well with the hardware and the zipper pulls. So the zipper pulls themselves are metal. If using zippers by the yard is brand new to you, no worries. They're actually very easy to use and to attach the pulls onto the tape. I have lots of tutorials on our YouTube channel, so go ahead and check those out, and maybe you can pick up some tips if you're already familiar with zippers by the yard. It's always helpful to pick up tips and tricks along the way. I'll see you tomorrow where we'll reveal the project for all of these gorgeous supplies.